Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. First thing we need to do, or rather, before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the SUUNTO application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can make sure, or rather we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the SUUNTO application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. And here you should see the SUUNTO Vertical watch on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it. And here you should see the option called Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled. If you don't see this option right here, close the settings, open the SUUNTO Link application, tap on the watch icon in the top left corner to open the device page, and wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone. And once it's done, you can scroll down and tap on the notifications. But let's wait. Optimizing GPS. Okay, now it says connected, so we can scroll down, tap on notifications on watch, and here you can turn on the notifications. After you turn them on and go back, wait for a couple of seconds. You should see the pop-up about the permissions for the notifications, and you need to allow it. And once you allow it, you can go back to settings, Bluetooth, tap on info icon next to SUUNTO Vertical, and it should see this option, and this option needs to be enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings. Here, scroll down, find the option called, or rather, application called SUUNTO on the list of apps. Oh, not this one, SUUNTO. And tap on it. And here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Okay, and once you do enable both options, we can close the settings, open the SUUNTO application again, tap on the watch icon in the top left corner, wait until the watch is done connecting with our iPhone. And once it's connected, we can scroll down, find the notifications on watch, tap on it. You can turn on the notifications if they're disabled. And here you can also enable and disable specific types of notifications. We have app notifications, call notifications, and messages. And once you enable the ones you like, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord to test it out. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.